Hello boys and girls, this is Mohit Agarwal here and a huge announcement, the most awaited announcement for all the CMA students of inter level and final level. So boys and girls, we have been receiving huge number of requests from students all over India that sir, now since the exams have been postponed for 21st of October sir, we are having full 3 months and sir, we would like to prepare some subjects which are underprepared or we got wrong guidance. So sir, we would like to prepare those subjects and sir, what about our second group? Should we opt out for second group or should we give second group if we haven't taken tuitions? So let me tell you, 3 months are more than enough to prepare a complete group. Trust me, 3 months are more than enough to prepare a complete group altogether. So keeping in that in mind, MEPL and me have thought to give you 60% discount on all the classes. You heard it right. With 3 months validity, you can grab the courses right now, 50% off on all the courses and extra 10% off if you use CMA10 code. So the code CMA10 will be applicable only for 3 days from now. Okay. So only for 3 days from now this offer will be running, in which flat 50% is off on all the courses and extra 10% is also off if you apply the code CMA10, and you will be getting 3 months validity with the e-books. Okay. And if anyone is looking to appear in December 21 or June 22, still those students also can apply the offer by using the CMA10 code. They can opt for 6 months, 9 months validity by using the CMA10 code. They'll be also getting these huge benefits. Okay. So do not waste any time further and just book the courses, because I guarantee the best quality education at a very reasonable cost now. Okay. यहाँ पर तो आप लोग को अपना नाम लाना है. All these AIRs, you will also be a part of them. Okay. And this is only the AIRs of last term, let me tell you, right? Only of 1 year. So you go to the courses, just let me guide you how to book the classes. Go to the courses, click on classes. The moment you click on the classes, click on categories, and there you will be obviously selecting either CMA Inter or CMA Final. Okay. And yes, even CMA Final students who are willing to appear in October 21 or December 21 or June 22 can go for the classes right now, as well as CMA Inter also. October 21 or December 21 or June 22 can opt for the classes. Will be providing either 3 months validity. If your exams are in October, 3 months validity is enough, in which you can grab 50% off and extra 10% off. And if you are looking for 6 months or 9 months validity, then also this extra 10% offer will be there. And apart from that, 30 to 40% discount extra will also be there. Okay. And to top it up with CMA10 code, you will be getting extra 10% off if you use the code CMA10. Right. So here you go. You click on the category, CMA Inter has appeared. Now CMA Inter, whether you want to opt for group 2 individual subject, group 1 individual subject, or group 2 combo, or group 1 combo, or both group combo. Okay. Say for example, you click on group 1. You can see the prices are already slashed by 50%. 12,500 is slashed to 6250. Okay. So say for example, if you click on law and ethics paper, 6250 law and ethics paper, you will be finding that after flat 50% discount, 12,500 is coming only to 6250. And if you want, if you want 6 months validity or 1 year validity, those products are also available. Now extra 10% off you will be getting if you apply the code CMA10. So apply the code CMA10 and get extra 10%, yes, on this 6250 also. So which means your price for 3 months will be 6250 minus 10%, 5625, and 50 coins will be giving once you sign up with us. So minus 50, because you will be able to redeem it. Approx 5500 per paper cost will be there. And if you go for combos, this is individual paper cost, approx 5500. And if you go for combos, boys and girls, all the 8 papers, if both group combos you take, or all the 4 papers if you take a particular group combo, तब तो बाप रे बाप जो प्राइस होगा वो पर सब्जेक्ट आपका अप्रोक्स 4000 के आसपास आ जाएगा. अप्रोक्स 4000 के आसपास कॉम्बो में आपका प्राइस आ जाएगा. सो डू नॉट डिले बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, जस्ट गो फॉर द कोर्स एंड डोंट डिले इट फर्दर. राइट. So this was the big announcement for you guys, and I hope you make the most of it. The offer will last only for 3 days. It was my duty to inform you about this epic discount of CMA, both inter and final level. And yes, you will be getting all the latest recording. Do not worry about that. You will be getting latest recording, the best quality education that I guarantee. My students who are taking the classes from me, please comment in the comment box that how are the classes going and how you liking the classes and what kind of value addition is it making in your course. Okay, do comment about the feedback of the classes. Chalo, so don't waste time, fatafat go to the website and search your product. The website will be having lots of product, so take your time, don't get irritated, and take your time and do search your proper product that you're looking for. Okay, take care, all the best, bye bye.